2004 Mercedes E350 with 44,000 miles. Check out those Michelins. Man, look brand new. Not a scratch, not a ding on this bad boy. Super, super clean. Trunk, super clean. Took the floor mats out so you guys can see how clean we got this thing. Got Michelin Sports, super clean. Caramel leather, super clean. Interior is a 10 out of 10. Really, the body is too. No dents on it. Trust me, there's no dents on the top. Like I said, the tires look like 632nds, almost 7, brand new. Dent-free hood, no scratches. It's been well maintained. Garage kept. No rust, as you could tell. Super, super, super clean vehicle, especially being the age. So it's a Mercedes, sunroof, power seat options there, power mirror there, memory seats there. Extra remote, which is expensive, by the way. Remote there.
Unattractive razor bumps. Now I'm just looking.
Radio, dual climate control, heated seats, both. Unlock button there. Nav. No lights, anything like that. Super cool moonroof. Lights are really cool. Windshield squirter there, light squirter. Navigation. Man, this thing is fully loaded with the Harman card on. This thing's got everything. It's perfect.